Good morning, children. Let us continue with the class. Already you have seen in the first scene that how the teacher was, king was very much interested to appoint a teacher so that he will get more knowledge and he can take care of his subjects very well. So he told his minister to appoint a teacher, isn't it? So finally, the minister went and has brought a teacher, a well experienced and well qualified teacher, and informed the king, okay, I have brought the teacher to teach you, so you please take care. Okay, so that was the end of the first scene. Now let us go for the second scene. Dvitiya Drishya. Dvitiya Drishya means the second scene. In drama it is always like that. There will be different scenes. Okay. Now I'll just read it for you. After I'll explain. Raja Gurudev ko pranam. Raja means the king. Gurudev ko pranam. Gurudev चिरंजीवी हो, यशस्वी हो, ज्ञानवर्धन की आपकी इच्छा प्रशंसनीय है। राजा, आप जैसे श्रेष्ठ गुरु को पाकर हम प्रसन्न हैं। हमारा मनोरथ पूर्ण हो जाएगा। गुरुदेव, राजन विद्या आरंभ करते हैं। राजा हाथ जोड़ते हुए, जी गुरुदेव। गुरुदेव, राजा का कर्तव्य है कि वह प्रजा के हर सुख दुख के बारे में जानकारी रखे। इसके लिए राजा के व्यवहार में दयालुता होनी चाहिए। न्यायप्रिय राजा ही अपनी प्रजा की उचित देखभाल कर सकता है। इस प्रकार राजा की शिक्षा प्रारंभ हो गई। राजा गुरु से ज्ञान की जो भी बात सुनते, रानी को अवश्य बताते। राजा को शिक्षा प्राप्त करते हुए कई माह बीत गए, मगर राजा को कोई लाभ नहीं हुआ। उन्होंने इस विषय में रानी से बात की। राजा, गुरुदेव, हमारा ज्ञानवर्धन करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, परंतु हमें उसका कोई लाभ नहीं मिल पा रहा। हम समझ नहीं पा रहे कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है। रानी, हम कई दिनों से आपको इस विषय पर चिंतित देख रहे हैं। आप गुरुदेव से ही इसका कारण क्यों नहीं पूछते? ओके, so what has happened? You can see who is this? This is the teacher. Who is this? King. And here this is the queen. King's wife is the queen here. Okay. Now you can see Raja Gurudev ko pranam. So when the teacher entered the kingdom, what is this king saying? Gurudev ko pranam. Teacher, I really respect you. Pranam means he is respecting by joining the hands. Gurudev, Chiranjeevi ho. So what is this teacher blessing? Teacher is blessing him. Chiranjeevi ho means you live longer time. Okay. So you know Ayushman ho and all those things. Even when you just bow your head and just touch the feet of your elders, what they say? You should become a good child. You should grow up nicely. You should have more knowledge. All this, these are the blessings they give, no? Like that. What did this Gurudev say? Gurudev means the teacher say, Chiranjeevi ho. So you are, he is saying, the teacher is telling the king, you live long. Chiranjeevi ho. Yashasvi ho means be very successful. In all your work, be successful. So Yashasvi means glorious. Okay, or successful. ज्ञानवर्धन की आपकी इच्छा प्रशंसनीय है. So you want to gain more knowledge, isn't it? So that is very good. It is appreciable. Prashamsaniya means appreciable. Because though you are a king, you want to just get more and more knowledge. So only you have appointed me, no? So that is very good. That is very appreciable. राजा, आप जैसे श्रेष्ठ गुरु को पाकर हम प्रसन्न है. So what is the king saying? Oh, to get a good teacher like you, I am very lucky to get a teacher like you. हमारा मनोरथ पूर्ण हो जाएगा. So here मनोरथ means aspiration. So I had an aspiration, I had a hobby. What is my hobby? To get more and more knowledge, and I am interested in studies. So you have come here to fulfill my desire or to my hobby. What is saying? राजा, आप जैसे श्रेष्ठ गुरु को पाकर हम प्रसन्न हैं, हमारा मनोरथ पूर्ण हो जाएगा. So I am very happy that I have got a teacher like you. गुरुदेव, राजन विद्या आरंभ करते हैं. So what is the teacher say? Okay, king, let us start with the class. Vidya means here education. Let us start with the education. राजा हाथ जोड़ते हुए, जी गुरुदेव. So immediately what did the king say when the teacher said, okay, we'll start with your studies or with your education? What did the king say? Okay, yes, let us start with the. He just joined his hand. हाथ जोड़ते हुए means he joined his hand. He said, जी गुरुदेव. Okay, we'll start, sir. Sir means your teacher. गुरुदेव, राजा का कर्तव्य है कि वह प्रजा के हर सुख दुख के बारे में जानकारी रखे. So what is the teacher saying? What's the actual duty of the king? The duty of the king is to take care of his subjects or his people in their worries as well as in their happiness. Both happiness as well as worries, both has to be taken care by the king, so that the kingdom will be good and all the people will be happy. So राजा का कर्तव्य है कि वह प्रजा के हर सुख दुख के बारे में जानकारी रखे. So he should understand each and every person's problems or his happiness. इसके लिए राजा के व्यवहार में दयालुता होना चाहिए. So for that reason, what is required? How should be the king? The king should be kind-hearted. So दयालुता means kindness. So if the king is kind-hearted, he can take care of his people very well. न्याय प्रिय राजा ही अपनी प्रजा की उचित देखभाल कर सकता है. न्याय प्रिय राजा means one who loves justice. If the king is having proper justice to all his people, only then he can take care of his people very well, and even people also will be very happy to get a king like that. Okay, so न्याय प्रिय राजा ही अपनी प्रजा की उचित देखभाल कर सकता है. That means the king who is kind-hearted can take care of all his people very well. इस प्रकार राजा की शिक्षा प्रारंभ हो गई. राजा गुरु से ज्ञान की जो भी बात सुनते रानी को अवश्य बताते. So like that what happened, his education, his study started from this teacher, and every day what he used to do, whatever he used to learn in his class, he used to come and report to his wife. His wife means queen here. So every day he used to come and report, this is what has happened, this is what has happened, this is what my teacher has taught me. All that he used to report to his wife. इस प्रकार राजा की शिक्षा प्रारंभ हो गई. राजा गुरु से ज्ञान की जो भी बात सुनते रानी को अवश्य बताते. So he used to come and tell his queen. राजा को शिक्षा प्राप्त करते हुए कई माह बीत गए, मगर राजा को कोई लाभ नहीं हुआ. So like this his study started, the teacher was teaching, the teacher was putting full efforts, everything. But what happened? This king was not getting the fulfillment. He was not able to get the knowledge whatever this teacher was teaching him. So he was saying, so many months over, I am learning from this teacher, but I don't know why, what happened. So this king was just thinking, why, what is wrong with me, I do not know. So many months over, teacher is putting his efforts, he is making me to understand everything, but still I am not able to learn. What is the reason? I do not know. That's what he is expressing to the queen. राजा को शिक्षा प्राप्त करते हुए कई माह बीत गए, मगर राजा को कोई लाभ नहीं हुआ. So he was not getting any profit from the teaching of this guru. उन्होंने इस विषय में रानी से बात की. So he said, I don't know what is wrong with me, Why am I not getting all the knowledge whatever this teacher is teaching me? So what did Queen say? Okay, you do one thing, you better ask your guru, you ask your teacher itself what is the problem. राजा, गुरुदेव हमारा ज्ञान वर्धन करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, परंतु हमें उसका कोई लाभ नहीं मिल पा रहा. So he is telling the teacher, because Queen said no, you ask the teacher only. So what happened? He went and told the teacher, I don't know what is wrong. You are teaching me so much and I am just putting my efforts to learn, but still I don't know what is wrong with me. I am not able to get whatever you are teaching me. Who told? The king told to the teacher. हम समझ नहीं पा रहे कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. So I am not able to understand why is it happening like this. King is telling the teacher. रानी, रानी, हम कई दिनों में no, what happened? He was explaining that to the queen, no? So queen is saying, why don't you go and tell this to the teacher that you are not able to understand anything. That's what Rani is saying. So when king is expressing to queen, queen is saying you better ask the teacher itself. What's your problem? रानी, हम कई दिनों से आपको इस विषय पर चिंतित देख रहे हैं. So now queen is saying, yes, I am noticing that after this teacher started teaching you, you are really worried. I don't know what is wrong with you. Why is that worry? So chintit means you are worried. Okay, chintit, worried. So this queen is saying, I am observing that when you started learning, you are not in a proper mood. Always you have got some worries in your mind. That's what I have noticed. Who is saying? The queen is telling to the king. हम कई दिनों से आपको इस विषय पर चिंतित देख रहे हैं. आप गुरुदेव से ही इसका कारण क्यों नहीं पूछते? So she said, okay, why don't you ask your teacher itself what is your problem? Why are this worries for you? Why are you not able to understand everything? So it is better you ask your teacher about your problem. That is what the queen is telling the king. Okay, so that's about the second scene. Once again, I'll read it for you. Listen and you look into your book. राजा, गुरुदेव को प्रणाम. गुरुदेव चिरंजीवी हो, यशस्वी हो. ज्ञानवर्धन की आपकी इच्छा प्रशंसनीय है. राजा, आप जैसे श्रेष्ठ गुरु को पाकर हम प्रसन्न हैं. हमारा मनोरथ पूर्ण हो जाएगा. गुरुदेव, राजन, विद्या आरंभ करते ही विद्या, see this do is half. If you write do like this, it is half. Understood? विद्या, half the विद्या. राजन, विद्या आरंभ करते हैं. राजा हाथ जोड़ते हुए, जी गुरुदेव. गुरुदेव, राजा का कर्तव्य है कि वह प्रजा के हर सुख दुख के बारे में जानकारी रखे. इसके लिए राजा के व्यवहार में दयालुता होनी चाहिए. न्यायप्रिय राजा ही अपनी प्रजा की उचित देखभाल कर सकता है. इस प्रकार राजा की शिक्षा प्रारंभ हो गई. राजा गुरु से ज्ञान की जो भी बात सुनते, रानी को अवश्य बताते. राजा को शिक्षा प्राप्त करते हुए कई माह बीत गए, मगर राजा को कोई लाभ नहीं हुआ. उन्होंने इस विषय में रानी से बात की. राजा, गुरुदेव हमारा ज्ञानवर्धन करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. मेहनत मीन्स पुटिंग एफर्ट्स. ही इज पुटिंग सो मच एफर्ट्स. बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, परंतु हमें उसका कोई लाभ नहीं मिल पा रहा. Once again I read. गुरुदेव हमारा ज्ञान वर्धन करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, परंतु हमें उसका कोई लाभ नहीं मिल पा रहा. हम समझ नहीं पा रहे कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. रानी, हम कई दिनों से आपको इस विषय पर चिंतित देख रहे हैं. आप गुरुदेव से ही इसका कारण क्यों नहीं पूछते? So that's the end of second scene. Let me stop it here. We'll continue in the next class.